refuted the points today.
All members of the Barassi royal family and the court must unconditionally cooperate. This document is valid
Let's
for
put
20
this
years.
before
Is he playing with us? Where is he?
point here.
Enough! Wait. Imperial Syncanth Forge. It's real. The person who had the rights to mobilize the members. 20 years ago. How could we not know? Hello, sir. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
This one
Well, that's Miss Lawson.
looks speed.
I'll get him out of here later.
Just take a look. Look at the bodies all over.
This one
Thank you.
it looks broken now.
I gave him the swing back. Where is the swing back?
Alright.
Or else I'll have to do it. Dad?
This kind of thing is this.
I'm his dad.
So bye.